Congress leaders in Meghalaya have condemned the NPP-led MDA government for undermining state officials by relying on consultants to manage key affairs. Congress leader Manuel Badwar stated that these consultants handle important files, making senior officials appear incompetent, and criticized 3 senior IAS officers for supporting this trend. He also condemned the CM Impact Guidebook as a political maneuver by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to advance his career, arguing it politicizes education and exploits students for personal gain rather than prioritizing genuine development.
Control teng politicians ne control consultant room la mantin namanwa kapag jimpet junga kaniga file dari bakalong kumni I'm very sure gidan ki officer hang tu ki bakhran ki ba sutho bajin baj perkhat kumde ki batlot ma nei le si kim na apat ban ong ru nomor ba le si ka file ka poisi ki dala khamslam ban page ban approve ban sign le ka file bakal ayat ben ki consultant ki dan ki consultant ki bana ba lot ki bam ba ban sutho ki ba pinya je kaniga regime menta kum badai ka no nai ong shu badai ka corporate tu along ka regime ki ngam su ya hap shu kan along ka private organization jong sian
Cabinet